Hello again everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is basically the mint. I'm sure you all remember this mint, and what is happening now is that I'm not going to plant the mint in the fabric container as yet. I'm going to just keep it in the pot, right? Just keep it in the pot, maybe just move it, gradually moving it into bigger pots until I'm able to move to the new garden space. So I'm just going to repot this, right? And to get it out of this pot, I just kind of squeeze the side slightly, put my finger inside like this, and I just gently turn it over, right? And what I've done is I've mixed some soil already, so I'll put some in the bottom right here, right? So I'm just going to take my time, put this in, right? So you want to ensure that when you are repotting, that the same soil level that you have here, you want to ensure that you maintain that soil level in the pot. Just add some water to this, right? Allow the soil to, the growing medium to set around the roots, right? If you keep it bound in a small pot, you know, there's just so much soil resource that it can get, and it will only give you so much output. So once you move it to a bigger pot, you're giving it more soil resource, you're getting more output, right? So your yield will be better, your plants will be happier, your plants will look better. So that is it, right? That is it. So I hope this short video you get some kind of knowledge, some kind of information from it that you can use in your own garden. As usual, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again in another video.